Speak Student!
Molecular genetics.
A la Shmoop. Okay, so we're talking about mutations now with Dr. Ruth. What happens when DNA gets mutated? Like we've all seen the movie X-Men and its sequels, and they're awesome. Talk to us about mutations.
Yeah. Mutations, basically, you can get a mutation in DNA and you can have nothing happen for a couple different reasons. Either the mutation happens in a part of the DNA that's not important, or the mutation doesn't actually change the protein sequence.
Like, give us an example. Like, what would be a mutation where nothing happens?
So let's say that you've got a gene here and a gene here, and the mutation happens in between. There's a lot of junk DNA in our cells that really doesn't do much, and so if you got the mutation there, it probably wouldn't have a detrimental or any sort of effect.
Got it. And would we even notice?
We wouldn't. There are tons, and our cells encounter tons and tons of mutations every day that we repair most of, but don't always notice the others.
Got it. And is that something that genetically evolved because we evolved with mutations, like according to Magneto? Or like, how did all that, like why do we exist in a world where there's purposely so much conflict in our bodies? Is that to keep us tough and it's a Darwinian kind of thing?
Yeah, well, so mutations are basically, that's another potential effect of mutations. They're the sort of the source of evolution, right? Without mutations, you wouldn't be able to, be better adapted to some environments. So some mutations are good. The other thing is that in order to have no mutations, you'd have to kind of shield yourself from the environment completely, because a lot of mutations actually come from exposure to the sun or to, things in the environment that's kind of impossible to do. So.
Got it.